Hello. Today on DIY with Chris.
We're doing an initial product review for the Threshold one wall floating shelf with the espresso finish. We've already completed a review for this product, however it did lack some item descriptions, so we're redoing it at this time. You can find the link to that video here. The list price for this product was $24.99. We did purchase it at Target for that same price. We do have the item description that's listed on the template, and it's at the end of this video. The length for this item was, the one that we purchased was 35 inches long. The width was 7 3/4 inches. The height is 1 3/4 inches. And the weight is 2.15 pounds. The color that we purchased was the espresso finish. The ratings for this product were 2 stars on Target out of 5 reviews. On Amazon, we did not find any product reviews for it, so we don't have any further information. We really like this product. It has a professional, clean look. It does support all of the items and weight that we actually ever place on it using the reasonable person standard. It is a floating shelf, so if you put heavy objects on it, it is obviously going to buckle or warp over time, or it may come loose when you put it on there. Some of the contents for this kit are the actual mounting hardware. It does come with a template that will allow you to pre-drill your holes before you mount it. The instructions for this kit are basic instructions and a template guide in order to mount the product on the wall. It does have a wood polished exterior look to it, and how it mounts is it actually goes right onto the wall, onto this bracket, and I can show you the back of the shelf actually has 2 brackets in which you just slide right onto the wall. So when you are mounting this to the wall, there are a series of holes in which you can do your screws through. If you're just putting a light amount of weight on there, I do not see that you may have to actually find the studs in order to install this. But if you do plan on putting some larger picture frames or anything with a little bit more weight on there, that is what you would want to do, is to find the studs. Something that can help you is on the actual product here, and this is what I used. We got it at Target for no more than $30, so here's the brand. And during installation, they actually include on the box a template. So this whole thing comes off, and you can actually just take out the holes that are right there, and then place that on the wall, and then you can draw your holes onto the wall. That way when you drill them or puncture the wall for your starts, then they'll all be right on par. As you see, pull here for mounting template. So that is the template there that can disconnect, and then also includes some of the instructions that you have right there. So again, this is for the Threshold Quality and Design one wall shelf, and this is a floating shelf with a wood finish. Now to put it back on, all you have to do is slide the shelf right up against the wall, and after you have it against the wall onto the mounting bracket, then you must just push down on the brackets to ensure that it's secured. I would tap it on both sides just to make sure that it is solid and secure on the wall. And there's your floating shelf. I believe they do look very nice, and this is just a nice addition to the little room.
DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself.